pan, bring water to a boil, add salt, then add washed rice and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna work on the bell peppers. They're already washed and pat dried with paper towels. Cut the peppers in half and remove the seeds. And it's been 20 minutes. Fluff the rice with a fork and set it aside uncovered to let it cool. Next, place halved bell peppers in a light grease baking dish. Spray with olive oil cooking spray and roast the peppers for 20 minutes. After the chicken has cooled down, there will be some juices from the tomatoes and zucchini. Drain them out before you add the chicken to the rice. Add the chicken to the cool rice along with mayo and mix well. By adding mayo, it will help the chicken to stay moist and juicy, and also this will help the rice to stay moist while roasting. Next, add celery flakes and mix well. I love the taste and aroma of celery flakes. If you don't have it on hand, you can substitute with 1/4 cup of chopped celery. The filling looks good. Now spoon the filling into the prepared peppers. Make sure you stuff them really tight, guys. Bell, leave a comment and a like. I'm going to serve this with roasted potatoes. I'm gonna leave the link somewhere up here for the roasted potatoes. Go check it out. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.